Let's face it, if you've ever done any type of wire work, you've had a set of these cheap wire cutters slash strippers. While not the best tool out there, they certainly do get the job done. The problem is, we often ask these tools to cut wire in every range of gauge imaginable. We grip and squeeze, eventually hurting our hands until the wire finally cuts. Now, admittedly, wire is not super strong, but it's still metal, and the blades on these things can only take so much. So next time you break out your wire strippers, take a second to touch up the cutting blade with a small file. You can even follow up with a ceramic stick if you happen to have one. No, I'm not asking you to get these things razor sharp, that would be useless. But touching up the edges and removing the burrs will go a long way towards making your wire cutting tasks a lot easier. If you have a triangle or stick sharpening tool, you can even get into the wire stripping blade areas right here. While you're at it, how about touching up the cutting points on your end snips? Quick and simple. Now, that's a tool that you most likely never sharpen. How about you change that? If you found this video helpful, or you like random content, or if you just want to mess with YouTube and show them that small creators can have good videos too, why don't you give me some of that thumbs up love, consider subscribing, leave me a happy or sad comment, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.